Let's begin with our first chapter, Layout of Pictures. In this chapter, you are going to study image editing. That means editing of pictures. Image editing is the process of making changes in an image with the help of a software. The software is called image editing software. In the 8th standard, you have studied an image editing software, that is GIMP. By using GIMP, we can create copy of image, we can separate different parts of image, we can include letters or words in a picture, etc. The first activity is let's collect pictures. We can collect pictures from different sources. We can capture pictures using a camera. We can scan pictures by using a digital scanner, and so many methods are there. Next activity is opening the GIMP software and color the canvas. Then open GIMP software. To create a canvas, click in File menu, then New. Then specify the required size here, then click OK. Then to give color, choose a required color from the foreground and background colors tool. Select a foreground color, then click OK. Like that, select the background color and click OK. Then use the blend tool. Click in one corner and drag to another corner for blending. This is how a canvas is colored. Next activity is arrange pictures on the canvas. For that, you select any picture by using the open menu. Then use the tool select by color to choose a particular colored section from the image. Here we have to open the logo of ILO. First click File, then Open. Then choose the required image. Click that image, then Open. In this image, only this white part is required for our banner. So use the Select by Color tool. Click that, then click in the required section. Then only that section is selected here. Then click Edit, Copy, then paste in this canvas. Edit, paste. Then it is pasted here. Then to create a new layer, click to new layer. Then it is pasted here. To move it, select the Move tool. Now we have pasted the picture on the GIMP. When the pictures are pasted on the canvas, they appear on the canvas with a floating layer. By clicking in the Anchor tool on the layer palette, we can avoid floating selection and fix the picture to the canvas or background. Next is layer editing. We can edit a layer by using the layer palette. So open the layer palette in the dockable dialogs. Open Windows, then dockable dialogs. In that, layers. Then the layers window will open. In that, we can edit the values. We can rename the layer by right clicking or delete the layer or edit another attribute. I've given just an example here. Here different tools in the GIMP toolbox is listed. Rectangle select, ellipse select, free select, fuzzy select, select by color, scissors select and foreground select. In the toolbox, this is rectangle select. This tool is ellipse select. This is free select. This tool is select by color. We can read the name of the tool when we move the cursor over the tool.